Working at the farm shop is a little bit of everything. It could be doing oil changes, fixing flat tires, cracking tractors in half for clutches. There's welding, there's all kinds of things. We do pretty much everything here. I've never been super girly, and my dads and uncles were all mechanics and body men, and so I had like a love of cars and things like that from early on. So I mean, I want to have the experience where I can go anywhere and say, you know, this is why you should give me this job, because I know everything that, you know, a man knows or a man can do. I've done it myself, whether it be in prison or in the world.
Because the clutch wouldn't be very hot and it might not slip.
I believe that's one of the smartest women I've ever met. Some of the things that she's been able to teach herself to do, when she started working for me at the feeder slab, well, she started just like everybody else, filling feeders and cleaning, and then quickly become a tractor driver. There's a difference between driving a tractor and operating one. And just in a matter of a couple of days, she picked it right up.
The bosses are great. They're great about teaching you how to do everything, how things work. Since being out here, I've learned how to weld. I've kind of been like self-taught. It's not always the prettiest. It usually sticks together. You can clamp it with that and then untwist, it just unscrews the little knob. I just know prison has, in a way, saved my life, because not only have I learned all these skills here, but I have way more career prospects now than I had in the world, just from all the mechanical things I've learned. And I think I'm a lot more employable now with everything I have learned from being here, which I wouldn't have learned if I wasn't in prison.
She's got a bright future, and she's a self-starter. You ain't got to stay on her all the time. Yeah, I think she's important to have around here. But that being said, you know, when she sees parole one of these days and she gets to go, you know, I'm going to be happy for her that day too.